Hi, everyone. This is the Love and Money Show. Today, we're going to talk about a different asset class than what we have talked about before. As you already know, assets put money into your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket. The asset classes we've talked about before are real estate, stocks, a business, land, cryptocurrency, gold. That's what we talked about. So, we're going to talk about a one that probably does not come to mind because it's not talked about a lot. But before I do that, I'm going to let you know where this article comes from. It comes from MoneyWise. And what I have done is I read up on Bill Gates and what his take is on this whole investing thing. And so, according to Bill Gates, people who invest in Bitcoin and NFTs are, these are not his exact words, of course, these are paraphrased words. People who invest in Bitcoin and NFTs are fools, and Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and NFTs are a fool's game for fools. So that is Bill Gates' ideal of people who invest in cryptocurrency and NFTs. And according to him, paraphrased, of course, the people who win in cryptocurrency are people who find a bigger idiot to sell to. All right. So this article is from MoneyWise, if you want to check it out. The asset class is guess. Let's see. Write in the comments. What is your guess for this asset class? I'm going to give you 1 minute. I want to see if you can guess what it is. I don't see anybody writing in the comments. Is anybody watching or am I talking to myself? What is the asset class that I am going to say? A few more seconds. Okay, I'll talk to myself then, since no one is commenting. The asset class is farm, farmland. This is what Bill Gates heavily invests in. According to him, it yields a average annual return of 11% per year. So it yielded 11% of his investments, and he compared that with the S&P 500, which yielded 8%. So according to him in this article, investing in farmland is better than investing in real estate, bonds, and gold. 11% compared to 8%, according to this article. And so he spoke at a conference called TechCrunch Conference, whatever that is. A bunch of people get together and they call themselves the TechCrunch Conference. And Bill Gates was there speaking and informing the people listening to him at this conference. He says cryptocurrency is worthless unless you can sell it to a bigger idiot. These were his paraphrased words at this Tech Crunch conference. So the asset class again is farm. So in 2017, Bill Gates bought $520 million worth of US farmland. $520 million worth of US farmland. That's what he bought. He owns 269,000 acres. And so, if you're interested in farmland, how can you buy it? Well, there's this platform, and it's called Farm Together. So if you go on the internet, type in farmtogether.com and you'll see an investment platform for farmland. However, keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I do not own any farmland and I am not invested in this platform. So this is for information and educational purposes only. But I did want to make you aware because it's not an asset class that we talk about. And so this platform, it allows you to invest in farmland. But keep in mind, I'm not recommending it at all, but just check it out, see what it is about, and uh, do your own research as far as investing into it because it's not guaranteed as far as this money is going to this particular firm, if you know what I mean. I'm not an investor in it, so I cannot tell you to go over and invest in it. But you can go over and check out the platform. It's called farmtogether.com. Just to check it out if you're interested in how you can get into land. Okay. But I'm not telling you to do it if you understand what I mean, because I'm not in it myself. I just wanted to share it with you, let you know another asset class, which is farmland, and what Bill Gates and what some other people are doing. So, what is happening as far as this farmland goes, according to this article, moneywise.com, the financial institutions invest in farmland and the rich invest in farmland. Okay, so go over to the website, farmtogether.com. Just check it out, scroll through the website, look at it, read it, do your own research. As far as putting money into it, I'm not telling you to put money into it because I don't have my own money in it. But I just wanted you to know about it, that this is another asset class, farmland. And I also wanted to let you know some other thoughts around cryptocurrency and NFTs. Now, this is not financial advice, of course, um, but just to let you know what I'm doing, I'm still investing in Bitcoin and I'm still doing only the 1%. I'm dollar cost averaging. It's only money that I am willing to lose. So that is what I'm doing as far as cryptocurrencies go, dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. And it's just the 1% for me. So that's what I'm doing. So it's your own decision on what you're going to do. So I was just letting you know what I'm doing. So that is the asset class, farmland, something that we don't usually think about investing in. And so, as far as diversification, you want to make sure that you are diversifying, that you're not just depending on one thing. People do not just depend on one thing, they do a variety of different things. So that if one thing fails, the other thing is going to succeed. So people diversify, and that is the way that you protect yourself. Of course, you want to research things before you put your money into it. You're not just taking the words that people say, um, not even my words. You're not just taking the words that people say off of YouTube or the radio or the news or whatever. You're actually reading and you're actually researching these things for evidence that it works. So I just thought I would bring it to your attention because like I said before, it is an asset class that we don't generally think about when we think about investing. And then on a side note, I wanted to bring to your attention, I was listening to a podcast. I love listening to podcasts and I love podcasting. So I was listening to this guy in his 20s. He knew about investing in his 20s. And because he knew so early, he is financially free from investing in the stock market. Now, most of us, we find out later on in life, but I just thought it was interesting. He's in his 20s. He invested. Someone told him, or someone told him, or he self-educated. He invested in his 20s, and now he's free in his 30s. So that's how long it takes. It takes like 5 to 10 years. So you either find out early or you find out late, or wait, worst case scenario, you never find out. So just be glad that if you found out late, just be glad that you found out. Um, the stock market is a way to become financially free. And I just heard him with my own ears in his 20s, financially free in his 30s, because he knew very early in life that building wealth is important and that investing in the stock market is one way to get there. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is the Love and Money Show. If you like this show, please share it with one other person. Also, please hit the big red subscribe button if you are new to the channel and the notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, please hit the like button. It helps the channel. And leave some of your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for listening and have a great rest of your night.